Gift cards can make a wonderful gift, but they often feel a little flat when you're giving them. This is a fun, unique way to decorate your tree and give gift cards this season. What you're going to need is a small box. It doesn't have to fit the gift card perfectly, but it should be small. Small ribbon, a thin piece of string, scissors, tape. This is a great use for scraps of wrapping paper. Here we go. Wrap the box like you'd wrap any other gift. I'm going to speed this up for you. Now we're going to add the ribbon. You want to keep the gift vertical so it hangs best. I have a wonderful tutorial on how to tie the perfect bow. This is a small gift, but the principles are the same, so go check out the video. Let's cut both tails. Now, take your string, and there'll be a small space behind the bow. Push your string through, bring it towards the top, and this is going to be what you use to hang your gift tag ornament. Tie a knot at the top, leaving a big loop. There's plenty of space to hang, and voila, you're all done! A really fun way to give a gift card this season.